Woo! Back cooking with Chef P and Bonz. What you're looking at is teriyaki spam. Okay, what the chef is going to be doing this morning is going to take that teriyaki spam. We're going to send it through the food processor, and we're going to make a paste out of it, okay? Then we're going to take that paste and we're going to stuff it in these chicken tenders. Chicken tenders have been pounded out. Now, what you're going to do is roll these chicken tenders, which is the filet mignon of the chicken. We're going to roll it all up in there like a nice ball family. Then we're going to take it and dip it in this buttermilk and egg mixture, like so. Then it's going to come out and it's going to go into my seasoned flour mixture. Then it's going to come out looking just like that. Why not double coat it? We're going to double coat this bad baby like so. Because we want all that heavenly glory inside this chicken to sealed. Then we're going to take it back to the breadcrumbs. And then it's going to look something like that. Then we're going to put it right in the deep fryer and fry it up. Then I'm going to come back and let you see how this turned out. Bonz! Teriyaki stuffed chicken tenders, breaded and deep fried by Chef P and Bonz. Because late at night, when all the world is asleep within their dreams, I'm in the kitchen. Bonz.